the kingdom came back to bite him. The philosophy that spread because Jezebel was in the seat was the philosophy that the children, his brethren, that he relied upon for wisdom of God, would adopt. He allowed all of God's prophets, most of them, to be unalive. Remember Elijah going to war? So this is the result he's left with. Yet there's one amongst him that he should have valued and trusted. But because he's so convoluted in his thought from being in the seat for so long and allowing all of this kind of nonsense to occur for so long, and it's worked for him for so long until it doesn't. He doesn't have a plan B. And he feels as though he can override the truth that Micaiah tells him with lesser magic. Micaiah would tell him that he would not, that Israel and Judah would go and to this war, and that the king would not make it. Ahab would not make it out of the war, and that the people would be leaderless. So what does he do? He defaults to lesser magic. He goes to war, and he changes his outfit. Lesser magic, I told you. The Phoenicians were phenomenal with it. He puts on an outfit that is not conducive to what the king of Israel would wear. He changes his appearance for the environment. Smoke and mirrors. Lesser magic. Micaiah would prophesy, which is somewhat a form of divination in a sense. And Ahab would feel as if he could alter the outcome. By changing his appearance. And it wouldn't work. In all of his wisdom, he would get caught up and would experience the curse that he would want his children to experience. He will befall it. Between a warning and a curse. There are many of us in the world going through these exact same scenarios, different ways. You have many people that you depend upon for guidance and direction. But are those people telling you the truth? The Bible says that God would put lying spirits in the mouths of the prophets of these people. Lying spirits. That's why it's never good to depend solely on any outward expression. Especially if you're not aligned properly to the Spirit of God. If you know you've done